Guys, we've got an absolute epic one for you today. We've got... What is it? This is really cool, guys. Another classroom in there. Got lights on. No, we haven't. We've got natural daylight. Running water. Another room there, guys. Another smaller room in here. Stem cells, cloning, so science again in here, guys. No access, sixth form. Another little room here, guys. Incredible, absolutely incredible, guys. Look at this place. Look at this, guys. Look at this place.
That's the library in there.
Library, yeah?
Yeah. There's
Cool.
metal detectors around the doorway.
Really?
That's mental, isn't it?
Huh. I wonder if they still work.
No, they did go off an hour for it.
Where's everyone else at?
They've gone back towards the library. I said it's a dead end and they're not listening.
Yeah. Right. And that's the way to get to the library this way, yeah?
Yeah.
What, this way, yeah?
Yeah, down that
Down here, yeah? Got a water fountain here, guys. And the toilets, of course. There we go. Some spills on the floor here, guys. Some more spills and stuff. Another little classroom here. There we go, look at this stuff in here, guys. Crazy. Let's behind the door here. Got some paperwork down here. Instructions for conducting examinations. They're all like really wet though, guys. These books are wet as anything. Yeah, they're too wet to open. Lots of paperwork in here, guys. Amenities and whatever. Another room. Largely focusing on science in here, guys. There we go, look at that. Which way's the library?
Come past it, it's in there.
Is this one, yeah? Oh yeah, it says it there, guys. Got a dark area in here. Let's get the torch out. It's locked. There we go, toilets in here, guys. Little vanity mirror. Toilets, toilets. Another little office in here, guys. It's locked. Oh, proper office, okay.
So now it's been going off. I don't know if we set it off or...
Huh, interesting. Hang on, go this way then.
Where have they gone?
They've gone through that door in front.
Upstairs.
Yeah, I think so. Have to keep that torch off, I reckon, if we're going up.
Yeah, that van was up there when we pulled up this morning.
Is it not?
These just 2 rooms, I think, though.
What have we got in here?
We need to use the window.
Well, that van's gone, is it now?
I think so, yeah. We need to use the window.
Yeah, but this whole
Down the other one.
We're trapped if we stay here.
Computers, guys, in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I think. Photos after.
Come back around again and take photos.
Yeah.
Because I'm filming.
Yeah, man. Right, guys. Okay, so we're going along, and there's an alarm tripped. We don't know if we tripped it or whether it was already going off. but we're gonna try and go along quite quickly so we can get as much as possible for you guys. So I won't keep chatting, I'll just turn the camera around and then film what we see, guys.
The old projectors, one of the old projectors.
What in there, projectors, yeah? Oh, automatic lights. Oh, hello.
What's this room, do you think?
I'm not sure, one of the rooms was projectors or something. I like this.
It's a nice room, isn't it? I can go out.
Yeah, look at this. This is cool.
Yeah.
That must go outside, yeah, it looks like it goes outside, guys. Fire evacuation, loads of crap down here, guys. Quite warm out here. Little kitchen area. Little bathroom or kitchen. Right, shower. I've got a shower in here. Ladies, faking. Brings us out to this hallway here, where we've come from already. So we're going back this way, guys. There you go, back through this way. Key on the floor here, guys. Yo, wait up. It's a bit loud, isn't it? Nice stage area, guys. Look at this place, guys. Right, guys, I don't know if you can hear this or not, but in the background here we've got an alarm going off. It's been going on for quite a while. We've just made it across to the assembly hall at the moment, so this is where we are at the moment. Sorry for the rushed report here, guys, but we don't want to get busted, so we're going to be as quick as possible, guys. Where's everyone else gone? Up the stairs or out the back?
Oh,
What is this?
oh, shoot, camera.
Goes to the back of the stage there. Dark area here. Some key fobs and stuff here, guys. This is like for our resources for the lessons.
Where's the other two?
I'm not sure. There, they're there. There we go. So yeah, changing rooms here, guys. It's got a bit of a funky smell. Yeah, it does, yeah.
There's a swimming pool as well.
Is there? Oh, nice. Look, gym. There we go. This is the next gym we've come to, guys. Just like the other place we went to, guys. Yeah, I see that. Here we are, guys. Back in the gym. Lights are on, guys. There we go. Have you been through that room yet? So storage or something in here, guys. Yeah. The thing is though, as they say, we don't know if it was going off already or not. The only worry is really is that white van's moved, like...
Well, the other alarm was going off. When we approached the other building, and that was going off before we got in.
Yeah, definitely. There we go, guys. So all these like little cubby holes for letters and stuff.
Pigeonholes.
Pigeonholes, that's it. There we go. So we'll go back out this way, guys. This should bring us to the other side of the stage, I think. Here we go. Behind the stage here, we've got some cupboards here. Empty cupboard, guys, in this bit. Got a little area above there, up there. Another cupboard at the back here. Danger, high voltage, guys. There we go, high voltage. Stage bar, front bar, back bar. Power, industrial power outlets. There we go, back on the stage, guys. There we are, look at that. On the stage, looking out, main stage, guys. De-evolved is on the main stage. Right, guys, yeah, so we're still having a quick look around. We don't know how long we've got in here, to be honest, guys. We don't want to be too bait in here. Yeah, we're still having a look around. I mean, like, look at this place behind us, though. This is another massive one, guys. Inside an abandoned school here. We're going to show you as much as we possibly can before we actually need to get out. So, hope you enjoy this, guys, and if you do, remember to smash the like button, guys. If you like this video, remember to smash the like button. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it, guys. We really appreciate it. Right, on to the next bit. On to the next bit, guys. That alarm is still going off, guys. You can hear it loudest through there, guys.
There's a fucking dog cage there as well.
What, another van or? Have they got a dog unit? We're not doing any favours, like literally like standing by the window, right?
Get the fuck away from the window.
Okay, look at this, guys.
We're done up there. No, that's not.
We can do the swimming pool.
No, that's
That's a massive swimming pool.
Well, you've seen it.
Yeah, it was there.
I don't know if it's possible, but we're going to try and get to the swimming pool. We're going to take a look around anyway. If we can't get to the swimming pool, we're going to try and get to another part that we can show you. But this alarm is a bit of a worry, guys. Shit. Right, we better keep going. Not much in this little room. Can we see anything out here, guys? Look, there's a white van there. Dude, the white van's over there. I think the white van's still here.
Yeah, it seems like it's quite the same way. I just think they're just like paranoid.
anything good in this one. Knackered. So look her down there, guys, out the window. Geography room there, guys. Geography in here, guys. Oh, hello. Here we go. Geography room. Yeah. There you go. We've got some filing cabinets down here, guys. Another look out the window, see what we can see. Not an awful lot, guys, it's overgrown. Fuck. Another room in here. Little classroom, guys. Brilliant. Still going up.
It's all fiberglass. Yeah.
All this? Yeah, that'd be good. I've got a story.
No, I mean the swimming pool is fiberglass. It's a separate building, it's not a building. I want us all to walk out here together.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. Nice bit of artwork on this wall, guys. Sunset with a broken old tree. This down there. You guys going down?
Pigeon. You've got the swimming pool now and the other stuff.
This is an absolute madness, guys. We're trying to cover as much ground as possible. We've got a big crew out today. Remember to share.
I feel bad taking it. I shouldn't take it.
Right guys, remember to subscribe to De-Evolve, give us a thumbs up. We've got Urbex and Abandoned who's on the Instagram, give them a thumbs up, follow them. We've got straight out of Urbex behind us here, we've got Aaron here. There's a big crew of us out today, guys. There's a massive crew. We're out in force.
Urban Echoes here, mate.
Happy days. Remember to subscribe, guys. De-Evolved, Abandoned School. I'll fill in the details later. We're on a tight one this time, like the alarm's sounding. We have got to go. We have got to get out or away from it ASAP. Another classroom in here, guys. Green chairs in here. What we got in here? Kitchen or something? Dining room? Kiln room?
Just done this room.
Kiln room. Oh, poisons. I like the sign there. Look, we've got a poison sign. I got the poison. I got the remedy. There it is. Look at that. Check it out, guys. Poison keep out in here. Another room out here. So this is pottery, art stuff, guys, in here, I presume. Big extraction fan up there, guys.
So much.
Innit? That's the thing with these bigger explorers and that, you can't spend too much time looking at stuff because, like, you don't know how long we've got.
Before they start cleaning.
That's it. There we go, guys. More stuff in here. Oh, we've got stairs going down. Oh no, we haven't.
Yeah, we're going to go off the job now.
It's quite evasive. Nice one, cheers, buddy. We've got some more artwork in front of us there, guys. Reporting with the BBC. Welcome to... Yeah, that's the library. We've been through there, guys. So there we go. We're back near the front, I think, where we came in. This is absolutely incredible, guys. Another massive Explore brought to you by De-Evolved, straight out of urbex. And urbex in abandoned.
Yeah, there's a door around here, isn't there?
What we got here?
Yeah, oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
The Turing suite. Okay, it's a lovely day out here, guys. Absolutely lovely today. Absolutely lovely day. Well, this one's open. Yo.
Only the experts should go.
Yeah. Here we go, come on, quick. So a little cupboard in there, guys. Toilet in here. Disabled looking, I think. So sixth form accommodation in here, guys. So probably a chill out room, basically. Probably not too much to it more than that, but it's worth looking at all the same. There we go, some desks in here. Check out that CCTV in operation, guys. Is it? Is it?
Nah, not
Is it?
No.
That is the question. Probably not. There we go, we've got power in here. Like, we've got this. Apparently it's 16 degrees in here. It's pretty warm, guys.
Jake,
Absolutely incredible.
We've been in 40 minutes already.
Have we really?
Yeah, we've been in
Jesus
40 minutes.
Christ. Rather than take still pictures, I'm just going to screen grab. Like. Yeah, I'm just going to screen grab.
Got a little
It's
buzz
easier.
again and we'll rush around because we hear fucking alarm.
Yeah. It's always a worry though, because we don't know if it went off before or after. And yeah. We need to do a group one when there's a whole load of us.
Yeah, we all sit on the chairs and shit.
Yeah, we need to do one of those shots. Like, are you able? Like, we need someone to be able to time it on the camera so we can all get in.
Shall we, have we done all that? We haven't.
Yeah, we've done that. And we need to go this way now.
It's 2 o'clock. Why have they done that? That's reception now.
I'm not sure. We should have stuck together.
I don't know. Yeah,
I can hear them there this way.
What are they doing down there?
Door
It's
open.
so bait. Is it bait? I don't know.
I don't know. Find out in a minute.
Oh, we was in there.
Is we in that bit?
Yeah, because I remember taking a picture out of here. I
Okay.
remember that blue scaffold.
Barbecue thing or whatever it is. Yeah. There we go. Check this out, guys. Absolutely amazing day, and it's beautiful. Oh, we've got a bit of climbing to do now. Is the gate not open? Oh, let's give it a go. Is it slippery, probably? There we go. Nice. You got houses over there with steam coming out the back. Have we done it all? Yeah. But we couldn't get to the pool, no? Too difficult.
There's a broken window. I don't want to get it.
Yeah, nice. No. It is, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys.
Definitely beer garden day.
We've been through this way already, this side, yeah?
No, we ain't
We
going
haven't
that
been in there
bit.
yet.
I don't know if the primary school is open or is closed.
Oh,
Why would
okay.
it be open? There's no other entrance other than these two, isn't there? So it wouldn't be open, would it?
Wouldn't have thought so, but you don't know.
Should we go have a look?
Because otherwise it's only been here after.
Seems like a wasted opportunity otherwise. Have we got everyone with us?
Where's Scott?
Yeah. Where is he?
Got me Scott.
There we go. Nice one, cheers, buddy.
Oh, we've got to get in the swimming pool.
It would be nice to get in a swimming pool, right? Like, it'd actually be nice to get in the swimming pool. It's well hot.
The longer we fuck around, the more chance we got.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
That's why we try to cover what we can. Check the numbers, Jack.
Yeah. Oh, I did check.
Yeah, we checked this way.
We've been in this one.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
This is that one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the one.
Right guys, we've been around most of the inside at the moment. There's a few little areas that we haven't been to yet. We're having a quick scout around to see if there's anything else that we can find that we can get in to show you today. Oh, proper hot guys, like really hot today. Shouldn't have worn the hoodie today guys, but you know, it is what it is. So anyway, right, we're going to see if we can get in anywhere here behind us, and you'll see that next. If not, we'll go. But yeah, hopefully you're enjoying this guys. This is another one brought to you by Deervold, of course. We've got straight out of urbex and abandoned here today. Big crew today, massive crew day. There we go. So yeah, it's a massive crew out today guys. I hope you're really enjoying this one. What is it?
Camera right behind us.
Oh yeah. There's a camera up there guys, we didn't see that one, but chances of it being plumbed in, slim to none. And even if it is, we're not doing anything wrong guys. We accessed, we walked in, we haven't forced entry at all. We've everywhere we've been, it's just been open, so you know. I don't know if you can hear that in the back there guys, but the alarm is still going off. And we're still here, surprisingly, but we're just doing the best we can today. And when we have to leave, we're going to have to leave. I'm afraid it might be quick, it might be sudden. Did you just hear a dog?
There's no, only the main road's all the way over there.
Yeah, you don't know if it's like in here or not.
I'm not bothered by the dog.
I'm a little bit bothered.
I'm not that bothered.
No, dog bites are still there.
Fuck's sake, Scott. Bull in a china shop. Sports hall here. Yeah. Yeah, you've already busted us, haven't you? Is this, which one's the swimming pool? This one here or this one here? This one.
I've got a spa in there, isn't he?
Another camera up there, guys. That's just like facing downwards at an angle, though. It's not moving. Yeah. Yeah, no, I thought that because then I thought you could like, but there's not.
It's screwed, isn't it? Probably is screwed in there.
Oh, but where's this one screwed?
Can you get through there and open the window for us, the rest of us?
No. It involves breaking it. I know this is brittle, but it's not worth doing it.
Someone to walk around and say that wasn't like that.
Yeah. Can we see in there, guys? Not really. It's not an awful lot we can see in there, guys. It's really hard to see. I'm gonna. Yeah.
That's annoying and frustrating.
That's been broken now.
So yeah, we can't see in there, guys. Which is a shame. We would have liked to have showed you the pool, and probably had a dip in there as well, to be honest.
On the corner. Yeah, that is. You see that one, Martin?
What's that, new camera?
New camera, white one.
Where am I looking?
We can squeeze Scott through it.
You have to put him in an envelope and post him for it, like that. There we go, guys. So yeah. We could get still photos, it just depends how bait it is, like.
You want to take a few more pictures?
Oh yeah.
Well, we kind of rushed around, didn't we?
We did rush around.
We did rush. I suppose we could get some still photos now. Right guys, anyway, we think we've seen most of like what there is to see here today. So we're going to take a look around now. We're going to try and get some still photographs for Facebook and Insta and TikTok and whatever else there is online that we might be sharing it with. Hope you've enjoyed this one, guys. Remember to smash the like button, give us a subscribe, follow us. This is De-Evolved, straight out of Urbex and Urbex and Abandoned. Happy days.
Check out get a picture of Scott coming out under the side.
Right guys, we're continuing having a look around about now. In between getting some photos as well. So yeah, we're going to get some still photos. We're going to take a look around and see if there's anything we missed, guys. Oh, it's hot. Fuck. Can't get into the pool, guys. Right, we're trying our hardest. This is an absolute madness, guys. This is a madness. We have got to get out of here, guys. Security's here. We have got to fucking run.
Go.
Right guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this one. Remember to share, like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. Hope you enjoy your day.
Thank you for watching. Please press the circle to subscribe, and why not check out one of our other videos.